In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert Quizlet to Blooket. Now you can do this easily by navigating to the Blooket webpage. You can just begin by logging in your account, and from here click on the create button. You can then name your Blooket the way you want to. So in here we have a title. I'll just put Quizlet demo. We then have the description, and then you want to make sure that you have selected the Quizlet import option. Click on the create set option, and it's totally optional if you want to add your cover. In here you want to click your Quizlet. A new window will appear, and you want to make sure that you have logged in your Quizlet account. Head over to the set that you want to import. So in my case, I'm going to be importing this specific one. Click on the three dots, click on the import option, and from here we can then import this by copying the text. Now take note that you can only do this if you have your own set, but if you want to go ahead and import someone else's set, you first want to navigate through this page. You want to click on the edit, save and edit, and from there you then want to make it to your own and then click on the import option, because if it's not yours, the export option will not go ahead and appear. Once again, just click on the copy text option, head back to Blooket, click next step, scroll down, and then you want to paste the text right here. Click on add question, and from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.